Hey guys, welcome to our channel Reshu House. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make lemon rice. Take a big size pan and add some oil to it. To that add groundnuts and roast the groundnuts till they are crunchy. Once the groundnuts are midway roasted, add the seasoning seeds which are mustard, jeera and chana and fry them as well. And fry all these seeds until golden brown color and take them aside. After taking the groundnuts aside, add 4 to 5 chilies and fry them in the oil. Chilies add a spiciness and good taste to the lemon rice. After frying the chilies well, add curry leaves and add lemon juice to the oil and cook the lemon juice in the oil for good 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking the lemon juice with curry leaves and chilies gives a nice taste to the chilies and curry leaves, and the taste of the lemon intensifies. Also, this ensures that our rice is stayed good for 2 to 3 days. Add some turmeric to the lemon juice and stir the turmeric in the lemon juice until the rawness of the turmeric goes away. Also, the turmeric adds a nice yellow color to the rice. After oil floats a little, switch off the stove and add cooked rice to the mixture. Also add previously fried groundnuts and coriander to taste and add enough salt. Combine everything well and mix together and coat the rice well with the cooked lemon juice. And that's it, our lemon rice is done. Serve it hot with crispy groundnuts and spicy chilies and enjoy the taste. If you like this video, do like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. And also write your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.